Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Let's see what I am going to make today. For this craft, the main materials I need are a mirror, a piece of cardboard, some jute rope, sea sand, and a few A4 paper. Apart from that, I also need scissors, glue, and some simple crafting tools. First, I start by drawing a round shape on the cardboard and cutting it out carefully. Next, I prepare the flowers, since I want each flower to have two colors. I cut the petals from A4 papers in two different shades and in two different sizes. Each flower has 8 petals. I cut all the petal pieces and keep them aside. Now, just plain petals don't look nice, so I want to give them a more natural look. For that, I take a pen, a stick, and rolling them slightly. I also press the sides gently with my fingers, so the petals look like real flower petals with a natural fold. In this way, any round tool and curve the petals by pressing. I make all the petals and complete the flowers. After that, I prepare the leaves so that they look more natural, to make the leaves more realistic. I fold them in half and press with my fingers or a tool to create a line in the middle. This gives them a natural leaf shape. I cut leaves from green, A4 sheets in 2 different shades. Now it's time to work with the mirror and the base. I glue the round mirror onto the cardboard circle. The chenille thread was woven like this, like braiding hair. Around the mirror, to make it stronger and more decorative, I wrap jute rope carefully and stick it with glue. Then, I apply glue all over the visible cardboard surface and cover it with sea sand. I wrapped a piece of string around the cardboard. This gives a very nice texture and hides the plain cardboard. Any extra sand is removed by shaking it off. Once the base is ready, I start decorating. I first took the two colored leaves and folded them so that the small leaf was on top. Then I take the flowers I prepared earlier, attach the green leaves to them, and then arrange them around the mirror. I place them one by one in a nice order, so that the decoration looks balanced and beautiful. I felt that adding a butterfly would make it look even nicer. So I made a butterfly decoration and fixed it on the mirror frame. Finally, I make a strong hanging loop using jute rope and attach it to the top. Now the mirror can be hung on the wall easily. It is not only a beautiful wall hanging, but also a useful mirror, and it can even be given as a lovely handmade gift. And that's it. The wall mirror decoration is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative DIY ideas.